numbers, dates, and time. Easy English reading and listening for beginners.
You will learn about time, dates, and numbers. I am almost late. I must go now.
What time is it? It is 1 o'clock. It is 2 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock. It is 4 o'clock. It is 5 o'clock. It is 6 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock. It is 8 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. It is 11 o'clock. It is 12 o'clock. It is 12:15. It is 12:30. It is 1:45. It is 12:05. It is 1:55. It is almost 12:15.
One or first. 1 apple. The first apple. 2 apples. The second apple. 3 apples. The third apple. 4 apples. The fourth apple. 5 apples. The fifth apple. 6 apples. The sixth apple. 7 apples. The seventh apple. 8 apples. The eighth apple. 9 apples. The ninth apple. 10 apples. The 10th apple. 11 apples. The 11th apple. 21 apples. The 21st apple. 22 apples. The 22nd apple. 23 apples. The 23rd apple. 101 apples. The 101st apple.
It is the 1st of January, 2025. I am very tired after the New Year's Eve celebrations. It is the 13th of February, 2025. It is Singles' Day. It is nice to have a holiday for singles like me one day before Valentine's Day, which is the Lover's Day. It is the 30th of March, 2025. It is Mother's Day today. I am going to visit my mother and bring her a huge bouquet of flowers and a box of chocolates. It is the 1st of April. It is All Fool's Day. I am staying at home. I don't want to make a fool of anyone, and I want nobody to make a fool of me. It is the 1st of May. It is International Labor Day. I am not working today. I am at my mother's place, and we are spending some quality time together. It is the 8th of May. It is a big day in Europe where I am living. We celebrate the end of World War II. I am not working today. And above all, I like to spend time with my mother. It is the 21st of June. It is the longest day of the year. Some of my neighbors make bonfires. I won't join them. I am afraid of fire. It is the 1st of September. It is not a holiday, but it is an important day for children. It is the first day they go to school this school year. My children go to school without me. They are old enough. It is the 31st of October. It is Halloween. People dress up in costumes. It is the 1st of November. It is All Saints' Day. People bring flowers to their dead loved ones in cemeteries. I also visit the graves of my father and my grandparents. I keep my vampire clothes on. It is the 25th of December. It is Christmas Day. People give presents to each other, and they are nice to each other, except the drivers.
Dear Diary, today is the 16th of January. The last time I wrote to you was before Christmas on the 3rd of December. A lot of things have happened since then. On the 22nd of December, my brother was born. He is such a beautiful baby. When he was born, he was 48 centimeters long and weighed 3.3 kilos. Now, a month later, he is 4.5 kilos and 53 centimeters long. If he grows so fast, he will be 1.5 meters tall and weigh 30 kilos in 2 years' time. He was born just 3 days before Christmas. My parents tell me he is our Christmas present. I was born 2 days after Easter. They told everyone I was their Easter present. On New Year's Eve, on the 31st of December, I was with my friends. We had a great party which lasted till morning on the 1st of January. I slept through the day, but on the 2nd of January we had another party, this time at my parents' house. It was the best house party we had ever had. We ate and drank too much. We ordered 50 pizzas for only 15 people, and we had a lot of cola. I was very sick for 4 days. 7 of my friends called me, and they also said they didn't feel well, but we will never forget the party even if we live 1,000 years. I am sorry I have to go now. It is 10 o'clock and I have to clean the house before my parents arrive. Their plane will land at 5 o'clock and I have to do a lot of things. Luckily, 8 of my friends are here to help me. I hope to write to you soon, not later than in 10 days. One last important thing. Finally, Steve kissed me.